Hey everybody, this is Rob with Fruit of Labor Landscaping. I'm out here in the serene forest. Today is Fun Fact Friday, and we're doing a video this week about the fun facts, or a fun fact, of spiderwort. Now this is a Florida native plant and wildflower. We see we're about to get some blooms here, probably the first of this year. Super excited about that. Once you see this plant, you'll probably see it everywhere. I see it all the time growing on the side of the road, especially near ditches, and including right around my house. It is so tempting just to go pick some up to bring it back home. But here's the fun fact. This plant is almost completely edible, and its edible uses go all the way back to the Native Americans that used it. So each one of these stalks right here is edible, and it can be eaten raw or it can be cooked. I believe it's the Cherokee Indians that used to fry them. You can also use the flower stems, and the flowers as well could be eaten and have a rich blue color, which looks cool in a salad. There's a little, basically almost like a pea inside the mature flowers that can be harvested out and eaten like regular peas would be. Now that's not a very large harvest, but nonetheless it is another edible part of this plant. And lastly, the tubers can be eaten underground. I'm not super familiar with all the techniques to eat those, but I do know that they are edible as well. So spiderwort, Florida native plant, pollinator attractor, host plant, and an edible plant. This plant right here checks off all the boxes for a foodscape. All right, thanks guys for coming by for this week's Fun Fact Friday, and hope you guys have a good weekend.